Air, ideal gas, enters a perfectly insulated compressor at a temperature of 310 Kelvin. The pressure ratio of the compressor is 6. Specific heat at constant pressure for air is 1005 joules per kg Kelvin, and ratio of specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume is 1.4, that is nothing but Cp by Cv, which is gamma is equal to 1.4 given. Assume that specific heats of air are constant. If the isentropic efficiency of the compressor is 85%, the difference in enthalpies of air between the exit and the inlet of the compressor is dash kilojoule per kg. We need to round off the solution to the nearest integer. Okay, let's proceed to the solution. This is basically a question from compressors involving the isentropic efficiency concept. Let us try to look at the solution, how to solve this. It is given that the inlet temperature of the compressor is T1 is equal to 310 Kelvin. It is also given that the pressure ratio of a compressor is 6, which is nothing but P2 by P1. It is also given the specific heat is 1005 joule per kg Kelvin, and also the isentropic efficiency of the compressor is given as 85%. Let us try to plot the TS diagram for the ideal and actual processes. So this is how it looks. 1 to 2 is the ideal and 1 to 2 dash is the actual process which takes place in the compressor. So basically process 1 to 2 is an isentropic compression. So basically from the property relations, we can write T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 power gamma minus 1 by gamma. So from this, we know P2 by P1, we know T1 and we know gamma. Substituting all the values will give us the temperature T2 is nothing but 517.24 Kelvin. It is also given that the isentropic efficiency is 85%. So when we write down the relation of isentropic efficiency in terms of temperatures, we get T2 minus T1 by T2 dash minus T1. Substituting the values of isentropic efficiency of a compressor as 0.85 and T2 T1, we get T2 dash is 553.81 Kelvin. Okay, so basically finally we need to calculate the difference in enthalpies between exit and inlet of the compressor, which is nothing but H2 minus H1, which can be written as Cp T2 dash minus T1. Substituting the corresponding values of T2 dash as 553.81 and T1 as 310 Kelvin and Cp as 1005 joule per kg Kelvin. Simplifying that will give us the enthalpy difference as 245 kilojoule per kg. The answer range is 244.2 to 246.